right, I am in Lupton, Arizona. This is one of my favorite spots to camp out. This is on I-40, just west of the New Mexico state border. And it's just really pretty out here. It's just a nice place to be, and the weather's, every time I come here, the weather's super nice. And tonight it probably should be in the 50s, so it'll be nice and cozy. I should be warm enough, it shouldn't be a problem. But this is the beginning of this stretch from Arizona, the northeastern part of Arizona. Going to Flagstaff is really beautiful. And what we did was we went to a college reunion in Amarillo. My wife flew home, and I just got on I-40 and started to drive because I'm going to Las Vegas for a couple of weeks, and about a week and a half really. But I just wanted to, I have a couple of places mapped out to stop, and this is one of them. So again, this is just really beautiful in Lupton, Arizona, right off of I-40. Van's doing good. It's a total mess. I need to clean it out and organize some stuff, throw away some stuff. But doing well. Long drive, getting across New Mexico is always kind of a hard drive. I got real lucky because it's been cloudy and rainy ever since Amarillo, going across New Mexico. I mean, for the most part. And so instead of the sun coming down in the west facing in my face, there was a lot of clouds. So thankfully it was a good drive today. Tomorrow's going to be pretty hot though. Going across Arizona and getting into Vegas is going to be really hot. Basically every day I'm there is going to be over 100, but it's June, so what do you expect? But I've been out there at this time before, so not a big deal. Anyway, that's about it for now. I got some snacks. I got a sandwich, Subway sandwich. Like I said, I really need to get in there and clean out some stuff and just organize. But I should be set for the night. And that's about all for right now. All right, so I'm in my van for the night. I got it a little more organized. The bed's sort of made. And I got a light source. I have these lights here, string lights that go all the way around. But for right now, I don't need that. I have the string lights plugged up to my power source, my Jackery. But for right now, this is all I need. I just need a little bit of light. The problem is it's a little cramped. I've got the smaller Chevy Express van. And with the bed in here, I can touch the ceiling with my head quite easily, but I also have space underneath the bed to store things, so it's kind of a compromise. And this kind of stuff takes a little while to get used to. Obviously a tight space, but it's good for traveling, just to have a space to lay down in and relax, get some sleep. So that's the plan for tonight. It's about 10 o'clock here, 10:30 Arizona time. Anyway, that's it for tonight, and we'll see how it looks in the morning.